Hello guys, so today it's a new vlog in 2024. So this is the first vlog that we'll make in 2024. And today's vlog, I'm gonna show you because I have a lot of questions regarding what's the difference between the DJI uh DJI RS3, RS3 Pro and RS3 Mini. So we have the three DJI stabilizer and they all one of the question also I got is which gimbal is right for me, or what's the best gimbal for my job, or for the purpose. So again guys, this vlog we will compare the three DJI stabilizer from DJI RS3 Mini, which is this is the DJI RS3 Mini, the DJI RS3, and the DJI RS3 Pro. So yeah, we'll check one by one, and I'm gonna show you what's the difference between three stabilizer from DJI, the RS3, RS3 Pro, and RS3 Mini. So again, without further ado, but again, before we start, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So without further ado, let's start now, guys. Again, for the gimbal, for the payload, we'll start from the payload. For the RS3 Mini, you can load, they test already, and I checked from the DJI, they test it for 2 kilos. So you can go around 2 kilograms for the DJI RS3 Mini. For the DJI RS3 is around 3 kilos. 3 kilos. And 4.5 kilos payload capacity with the RS3 Pro. So this is the RS3 Pro. Okay, that's for the payload, guys. And for the expansion, yeah, expansion. For example, if you want to put in the any device or any accessories, the RS3 Pro, it's way more better compared for the two. You can put to the tilta, some plane, yeah, and jib. This is more flexible. The RS3 Pro, you can use it in the any sliders, also good. Yeah. Next is the auto lock. So in RS3 and RS3 Pro, you have the auto lock. So when you turn on, turn off, it will automatic lock. But the RS3 Mini, you need to make a manual lock. There's no auto lock. When you turn off, turn on, it will not automatic lock the the buttons. So from RS3 Pro and RS3, it automatic lock. Yeah. Yeah. For the material, this is aluminum alloy. Yeah. This is aluminum alloy for the RS3 Mini. RS3, which is aluminum alloy also. And carbon fiber for the RS3 Pro, it's a carbon fiber. Using the carbon fiber of the stabilizer. Again, the carbon fiber in this area. Only guys, the access motor. Focusing system. Again, the RS3 Pro, it's already comes when you buy the compatible with the LiDAR. And LiDAR focusing system. Yes, compatible with the LiDAR focusing system for the RS3. For the video transmission, you have available from RS3 Pro and RS3. DJI Ronin image transmission is available from RS3 and RS3 Pro. For the last one, the battery. The battery, the battery runtime for each stabilizer. Again, for our RS3 Mini, you have 10 hours and hours battery runtime, both RS3 and RS3 Pro, 12 hours. And charging time, 1.5 hours for the RS3 Pro, and 2.5 hours for the RS3 and RS3 Mini. Again, 2.5 hours for charging RS3 Mini and RS3. So again, guys, that's it for today's vlog, today's comparison between these three DJI RS3. But again, for me, my opinion, this is only my opinion. Again, the RS3 Mini, I think this is very good for travel stabilizer. If you don't want to bring your the Pro version or the RS3 because it's more lighter and uh, easy to put in your camera bag. Yeah, and again, it can load even A7S mirrorless cameras, A7S3, and I have video on that A7S3 with 2470, and also 5 R5 R5 with 2470 or 24105. It can work on this stabilizer, especially if you don't want to bring your if you don't want to bring or if you don't want to purchase a bigger stabilizer. If you want for travel, this is the best stabilizer. You can use even your mobile and also your compact cameras. So I try also the my mobile and I try also the Sony ZV-1. It's perfect for this RS3 mini. So about the RS3, which is I think this is the RSC2 before. So this is the again uh, same camera that you can load and if you want more cheaper and if you don't need the follow focus, if you don't need the extra accessories that have for the RS3 Pro and yeah, I think this is the best stabilizer that you can take and yeah, it's more cheaper than the RS3 Pro, especially the the single, which is around 165 dinar. So yeah, it's good for your budget. Yeah. And again, if you are thinking to rig or for your business, yeah. So or for professional work, for cinematographers, RS3 Pro is the best one. It's the best choice. So yeah, you can expand, you can put in the tilta for car mount. Yeah. So yeah, this is the best option. And yeah, especially the combo. So you have the stabilizer, sorry, the follow focus and yeah, anything. So yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. So again, if you want to check the price and availability of our RS3 stabilizers, the RS3 Mini, the RS3 and the RS3 Pro, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So ayan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.